Hey Psych2Goers, I'm Joan. I've been a longtime fan of this channel, and today I'm collaborating with Psych2Go to contribute to a community where psychology can be explored and shared in ways that make a true impact. Today's video is about why some people are more sexual than others. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to radiate sexual energy while others barely seem interested in it? What makes someone more sexual? Is it biology, psychology, or something deeper? And how much of it is even within our control? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of human sexuality to uncover the reasons why some people are naturally more sexual than others. From brain chemistry to life experiences, we'll break down the science and psychology behind this question. By the end, you might just rethink what you know about human connection, attraction, and desire. 1. Brain chemistry and hormones. Sexual desire often starts in the brain. Research shows that hormones like testosterone and estrogen play a significant role in driving libido. People with naturally higher levels of these hormones tend to have a stronger sexual appetite. For example, studies have found that individuals with higher testosterone levels report feeling more frequent and intense sexual desires. However, it's not just about hormones. Neurotransmitters like dopamine and oxytocin also influence sexual behavior. Dopamine, the reward chemical, makes sexual experiences feel pleasurable, while oxytocin, known as the love hormone, strengthens feelings of intimacy. Here's a thought-provoking question. Could understanding your own brain chemistry help you better navigate your sexual relationships? 2. Evolutionary psychology. From an evolutionary perspective, sexual desire is tied to survival and reproduction. People who are more sexually inclined may have been better at passing on their genes in ancestral environments. Evolutionary psychologists suggest that men might have developed a stronger baseline desire for sex due to the biological drive to spread their genes, while women's sexual behavior often aligns more with emotional connection and selecting the right partner for long-term survival. However, modern society complicates this with factors like birth control and changing social norms. What do you think? Are our modern attitudes about sex in conflict with our evolutionary programming? 3. Early experiences and conditioning. Our experiences growing up play a huge role in shaping our sexual identities. For instance, exposure to open conversations about sex or access to sex education might make someone more comfortable with their sexual desires. On the flip side, individuals raised in environments where sex was stigmatized or taboo might suppress their desires. Interestingly, studies have shown that early exposure to sexual imagery, whether through media or personal experiences, can amplify or dampen sexual behavior later in life. Have you ever considered how your upbringing shaped your views on sexuality? 4. Personality traits and temperament. Some personality traits correlate with higher levels of sexual desire. People who score high on these traits like extroversion or openness to experience tend to have more active sex lives. Extroverts are often more socially outgoing, making them more likely to seek out sexual partners. Similarly, individuals who are open to new experiences may be more inclined to explore their sexuality in unconventional ways. Do you think your personality influences how you express your sexuality? 5. Relationship dynamics. Sexuality is not just about the individual. It's also about the dynamics between two people. Being in a fulfilling relationship can amplify someone's sexual desire, while conflicts or dissatisfaction can diminish it. Studies have found that couples who communicate openly about their sexual needs tend to have higher levels of satisfaction and desire. It's a two-way street. Your partner's energy often influences your own. How important do you think communication is in maintaining a healthy sexual connection? 6. Cultural and societal influences. Culture shapes how we view sexuality. In more liberal societies, individuals may feel freer to express their desires, while conservative cultures often enforce stricter norms around sexual behavior. Media also plays a significant role by normalizing certain sexual behaviors and stigmatizing others. These external influences can either encourage or suppress someone's natural inclinations. Have you ever felt that society's expectations influenced your own sexual behavior? 7. Mental health and stress levels. Mental health can either boost or suppress sexual desire. Conditions like depression and anxiety often lower libido due to the chemical imbalances or preoccupation with negative thoughts. Stress, too, can be a major libido killer as it activates the body's fight or flight response, diverting energy away from pleasure and intimacy. On the other hand, individuals with strong mental health often report higher levels of sexual satisfaction. How does your mental state affect your feelings of desire or connection? 8. Biological variations and asexuality. Finally, it's crucial to acknowledge that not everyone experiences sexual desire in the same way. For some, like those on the asexual spectrum, sexual attraction may be absent or minimal. This isn't a deficiency, simply another way of experiencing life. Biology is incredibly diverse, and so is human sexuality. What are your thoughts on how society accommodates different sexual orientations and experiences? So, why are some people more sexual than others? The answer lies in a mix of biology, psychology, experiences, and culture. Understanding these factors can help us not only navigate our own desires, but also empathize with others who may experience sexuality differently. Let us know in the comments, which of these factors do you think has shaped your views on sexuality the most? And how do you think society can foster healthier conversations about it? We love to hear your thoughts. Would you like to see a part 2? If so, what should we cover next to follow up? If you like more, please be sure to leave a comment and subscribe. We want to foster an open community where more people from Psych2Go can work together towards the common goal to create more ways for people to connect and talk about their life challenges. This is Joan, and thanks for joining us today on Psych2Go.